You don't like the pumpkin?
We like cucumbers. Mommy, you need to put it in your hand at once. And we're gonna... Yeah!
Swallow.
You think she gets excited or what?
Oh, you don't like it.
You want to try some num num, Lila?
Is that good, Emma?
You can't eat with your hands?
Yum.
Hey Coop, do you like carrots? No, we don't like carrots.
Yeah? Do you see it now? Morgan, what's on your nose? Oh! Oh, that was on your nose. Into the mouth.
You want this? Did you just toot?
Here comes the chip. Ready? Come on, get chip. Come on. Got him. Mmm.
Do you not like them? He doesn't.
I think you're lying.
Oh, means your daddy's being silly.
It's all over you.
Oh my god.
More on you than in you.
Finally found a food Dylan doesn't like. Blueberries.
Hey. Give him
Olivia, get down. You were covered in spaghetti. Oh.
She got so
Stop.
Yum. Here, here. She's like, Mom.
Do you love broccoli?
Look how fat he is. But watch when you take it away from him.
Oh, poor guy. I think he wants food. Do you want food?
What do you want?
What about that pizza? Oh, poor
You got
guy.
video?
Yeah.
Are they really good?
How excited?
That good? I love pasta too. Yeah.
Is it good?
Y'all like it? Y'all like it, Boom Boom? That's good. That's good. That's good. That's